I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to pause the bot and enable live chat in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. To start, navigate to the menu. Click Flows. Then add a flow. Name your flow and click Continue. Let's start by adding Enable Live Chat inside the button. Now, create a simple flow. Inside the button, add additional actions. Choose Transfer Conversation to Human. Then, click Save. Once you are done with your flow, click Publish. Now, click Preview to test your flow. By this time, you should have received a live chat notification via email. There it is. Open it, then click View Conversation. It should bring you to your Facebook page inbox, where the message is available. Here, you can reply to the user, or disable the live chat by moving the conversation to the Done folder. You can also check inside your nerDigital Chatbot Marketing inbox, where you can do the same. Reply to the user or disable the live chat. Once the live chat is disabled, the user will move to the Done folder, which means the bot automation is again enabled. There you go, you just learned how to hand over the conversation to a human. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.